So it's time for another gardening week video, and it's been a busy week for me. Did a long cycle ride and a long hike up in the Lake District, and gardening wise I think I'll show you around because there's been a lot of planting going on, but I've also done loads and loads of pricking out of seedlings and planting of shallots and all of that sort of thing. So I'm going to take you around and give you like a mini tour of what I've got done this week. So I cleared the last of my tatsoi in the polytunnel. We've got all these little seedlings in. They're all looking really nice. Even the tiny little red patchois are picking up nicely. They obviously love it in here. It's been quite a week. I've lost quite a lot of lettuces to stem rot. I always do at this time of year. So in all the gaps I've popped in new little lettuces for a quick harvest. I mean, I've still got plenty of lettuces down here as well, but no gaps now, which is the way I like it. I mentioned that I just finished the tatsoi in the polytunnel and just watered this, which is my new tatsoi bed. So that's ready for a light harvest now. One of my old spinach beds, and had a salad onions interplanted in it, so that's all cleared now. And in there we've got mixed kales, red kales and green curly kales, and then in here a few more kales, and then green cabbages and big red cabbages. Never really grown cabbages at this time of year, overwintered in the polytunnel, so I've got to see how those go. So this was one of my old winter lettuce beds, so I finished harvesting the lettuces from here. And in this one we've got cauliflowers interplanted with radish, and in this one we've got calabrese interplanted with radish. Won't take long for that to fill out a bit. And here's one that I did earlier, just a couple of weeks ago, so hopefully these will come as a successional harvest. You can see the radishes look quite a bit healthier in this bed. So the early spring purple sprouting broccoli is just starting to come into harvest. I think I need to probably put a net on this because I don't want it to all go to the pigeons. At the back of this spinach bed I've started planting little beetroots, and this bed will ultimately be peppers, and the beetroot will actually stay in, and obviously as I harvest more of the spinach I'll put more beetroot in. And now I've started clearing most of my overwintered brassicas from the little greenhouse. I've moved my first succession, really these were just a germination test, of Zebrun onions and Red Baron onions, because it's a little bit warmer in the greenhouse and we have got some chilly nights, and it's best for onions that you want to bulb not to experience too many frosts. It might result in them being more likely to go to seed. Worry about my salad onions though, they're fine. They almost never go to seed, certainly not ones that have been sown in the same year as they're harvested. So that's pretty much it for the gardening. Let's take a quick look at the harvest. So we've got a bit of a micro harvest this week. Pretty much everybody is away for at least 1 or 2 days this week. So what have we got? Starting this corner. So we've got a few little samples from the store that we used this week that I didn't show in last week's video. So we have the shallots, red onions, garlic, yacon, beetroot, golden, red, and then stewed rhubarb, chili jam, passata mix, and applesauce. So, oh, what's that one? And pickled cucumbers. So we've got quite a lot of different things in store. What I'll try and do each week actually is just show you some of the things that we used each week. A few leeks, 2 boxes of mixed kales. I'm being a bit stingy with the brassicas this week, but yeah, we'll pick up next week. Carrots, look at those carrots. They are gorgeous, aren't they? Straight out the ground. And spinach, loads. It is really, so much spinach at the moment. So that's the spinach, a little bit of joy choy, And then all this part of the table now is all the salad ingredients. So we've got lamb's lettuce, absolutely gorgeous. Did a video about lamb's lettuce, which will go live in about a week probably. Salad rocket. It's coming to the end now, the salad rocket for us. But we've got a load of wild rocket that I just planted out. So hopefully that'll be ready for harvest in a few weeks. Yeah, salad onions, mix of red and white. Salad spinach, claytonia, miner's lettuce. Got loads of that still to come. Even though really we normally only pick it during winter, but we put a bit more in last year than we normally do, and we'll do the same this year as well because it's been really fantastic. And little salad carrots, salad spinach, and yeah, oh, sorry, that was the salad spinach there. And then these salad boxes at the moment have just got lettuce leaves and tatsoi leaves in them. So I'm going to make up these salads like I always do every single week. So I'm always going on about trying to get to 30 fruits and veggies a week. And this week we've only got 20 on this table. And so obviously you've got to eat lots of shop bought fruit as well, just to make up the difference. Although obviously I'm not like obsessive about it. I mean, if it's 25 times of fruit and veg a week, then I'm pretty happy with that. So hope you like this quick video. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.